iOS 26 is now just 2 days away from being released on its first beta, and of course it will be a big update. As we all know, there's a complete redesign of iOS, a lot of new features and changes, and basically it is the biggest update to iOS since iOS 7, and that's really huge. So of course a lot of people will want to update to the first dev beta of iOS 26. So how do you update? Well, in today's video I will show you guys the simple steps that you need to follow in order to properly update your device to the new iOS 26. Now before we get into the steps, I just want to ask you guys for a really quick favor. Most of you guys that watch my videos are currently not subscribed to the channel, so if you enjoy the videos and you found them helpful, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps out a lot. Now let's get started with the first thing you need. You need to make sure that you have enough free storage on your iPhone in order to update. Now this will be of course a big update, and as you probably know, when you install these initial betas, it will completely reinstall iOS on your device, so it will require a lot of space. So in my opinion, this update should be around 7 to 8 gigs, but of course it will require more than that to actually properly install the update on your device. So what I suggest you do is head on to your settings and check the storage that you have free, and make sure you have 15 to 20 gigs of free storage on your iPhone. You can see it right here. And if you just have a lot of stuff on your device and you don't have enough free storage, then what I suggest you do is go ahead and delete anything that you can delete. And if you don't have like anything that you can afford to delete, then go ahead and check your apps. Like you can see this app right here, we have Snapchat, which is actually only 300 megabytes, but it's taking 23, almost 24 gigabytes on my device because it has a lot of apps data stored. So what I can do in this case to get free storage is just delete this app and reinstall it on my device, which means that I will have a ton of free storage. Probably I will get an extra 20 gigs. Now of course this will pile up with time, but it will require quite a lot of time, months, to actually just come to this size. So in the meantime I will have enough free storage to actually update my device. Now another thing you need to make sure is that you also have enough battery for your device to actually just update immediately once iOS 26 is released on its first beta. Now, of course, the most important thing will be backing up. Now, this is an initial beta, it's a big update, and most likely nothing will go wrong, but if something does go wrong, it's better that you have a backup of all of your data. Whether you're doing an iCloud backup or just backing up to your computer or laptop, whatever you use, you must have a backup of all of your data before you try to install iOS 26 Beta 1 on your device. And once you have all these things out of the way, now it's time to actually update. Here's what you need to do. Simply head onto your settings. Of course, you make sure that you're actually connected to the internet. Go to the general settings right here and then go to software updates. Once you go here, you can go to beta updates. You will have these right here for iOS 18 betas because there are still iOS 18 betas being released, so these will stay like this. But just underneath them, you will also have the dev beta of iOS 26. You just go ahead, select that, you come back here, refresh your device, and you will get the update right here. And you can just tap install, wait for the process to finish. It does everything, of course, automatically, and you will get the new iOS 26 on your device. Now, if you go here and you go to the beta updates and you don't actually see the options for updating to the beta, the problem most likely will be that you're not signed in into the feedback app that you have on your iPhone. So just go to the feedback app and make sure tap right there and you sign in into the app, and then come back here, refresh, and you should get the option to install the iOS 26 Beta 1. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, smash that like button, and of course subscribe for more, and I will see you on the next one.